Today we're going to be solving 1704. Determine if strings halves are alike. So let's read the description here. You're given a string S of even length. Split this into two halves of equal lengths. Let A be the first half and B be the second half. Two strings are alike if they have the same number of vowels. And then they give us a list of vowels here. Notice that S contains uppercase and lowercase letters. Return if A and B are alike. Otherwise, return false. Alright, so what we would need to do for this, as you can probably tell, is we would have to count the number of vowels in the first half and the number of vowels in the second half, and then return something. So let's begin. So first we would need to, they generously give us a list of all the vowels, so we'll just call it V, and then we can just make it into a hash set. So we have the lookup, constant lookup, and then we would need a count. So we would initialize it to 0, and then we would need the midpoint. So mid equals length of S divide integer division by 2. And then so if you guys notice, since it's even length and we have the midpoint, we only have to go through the midpoint, right? And then we can index it. For example, it would be, the first one would just be mid plus I, then I could be 0, 1, 2, 3 until wherever, and then it wouldn't go out of bounds because it is even. So let's do that. So we'll do for I in range mid. You can do enumerate, but you would just get the just A. So we just set A to S at I, and then we set B at S at mid plus I. And then here we just check if they're in the vowels. So we do if A in V count plus equals 1, if B in V count minus equals 1. I mean, we could have two separate counters, but just an extra variable. Then that's about it. So we can just return count equals 0. So this would just return if they're alike. So let's run this. Okay, let's submit. Okay, and it's pretty fast. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Watch out for a video tomorrow. If it's not like a hard dynamic programming question, I probably do it. So yeah, goodbye.